Alright, so everything was in a box, but I chucked everything in the bag yesterday after unboxing. So whatever comes up first is what I'm going to try on. Okay? So the first, oh my gosh. The first thing is this. And what the hell is this? This looks so hideous. But I don't have a top. Oh my gosh, my nose is dripping. Hold on. I don't have a top to put on with this. So I'm going to get one of the tops that I got from them. I know it's a black one. But this looks humongous. This is size small, so you know. And then this little thing, I'm gonna go and try this on and then I'm gonna be back. Okay? Okay. So this is it. Top part, I love this. Let me show you all. Boom. I just think how interesting this middle piece is here. Let's see how this was good middle. There, that looks really cool. I like the design. Look. What I think I'll do is that I'm gonna sew some beads hanging off from this though. You know, like some, ooh, like curry shells hanging off from this. I think that will look cool to give it some weight. But yes, okay. Okay, so we're gonna try these on with the outfit. I could do with these. These are something that I would throw on, like sweats, throw on to go anywhere. But I need to get some brown boots. Or these will look really good with black boots. These will look cool with black boots. Okay, so far, 10 out of 10. I would give this a 9 out of 10. And the shoes, 10 out of 10. Trust the process. Let's just trust the process. Adjust the beads. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No. Is it supposed to hang? Oh god, let me look at the pictures of it. I don't think this is supposed to be like that. I mean, no, it has elastic, so it's supposed to be tight. So I'm gonna adjust this. Once I go like this, it looks good. And that means that I have to take it in, but I cannot take it in from the sides, I cannot take it in from here because there's so much action going on here. So I'm gonna have to just do like a center back seam, going like that. But I'm not going to do it now. Then you have this, which looks very similar to the dress that I made. Okay, so the AC kicked on and the audio was awful. So I got this. I did not know it came at the top, so I got a medium for the bottom. But of course the medium top is too big for me, so I'm going to have to, you know, like take it in from the sides or take it in from the back or something. But I like the skirt. The top is alright, I guess. I mean, I have to wear a bra. And I don't like wearing bras because you can literally see my nipples poking out all over the place. But you know what, never mind. We'll figure this out. Or I just won't wear the top. You know what? I'll just probably wear a bra. I can wear a bra. It's okay to wear bras. Okay, the end. I like it. It's pretty. Okay, so this is legit my favorite thing in the whole haul. Ignore the fact that it squishes my hips, but it feels very like thick and it feels really good quality. And I can hang my chains and stuff from here. If I had to get this, I would get this in a larger size, just because it's these. I think this is a medium. Yeah, this is a medium, but it squishes my hips a bit. But it has a little bit of stretch. I would literally give this like 11 out of 10. So if you wear it like that, it's a little better. and it doesn't make my butt look as flat. But I started, okay, let's do it like mid-rise, like a little bit like that, as opposed to so low. Okay, we have one more piece. Okay, so this is not how it's supposed to look. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. Okay. Okay.
2 hours later.
So this is the last top. I don't know if I'm wearing it right. It's cute how I have it, I guess, but I have literally no idea if I'm wearing it right. I'm gonna show you all a picture of it here. But it's sold out. There are no reviews. And I don't see a picture of the back. This to around and I did like some little twisties, and all my under boob is out, but maybe I have it too tight here. Because I have it like super tight. Let me just bring this down. I don't know, it's just interesting. I can see where they're going with it. I like it, even though I have no idea if I'm wearing it right. It's very avant-garde. Okay, but it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. It took me maybe like an hour trying to figure this out. Oh god, I have like a hat to wear. Hold on, let me get this hat. Alright, this is the final thing. It looks so good with halters, and I think it's, guys, I'm so tired. Okay, I think it would also look good with a turtleneck top, sleeveless. So like that. I need to get some more things like this because I like accessories, and I think it literally like brings out the outfit. Because look at this. This makes a little sweatpants and halter look damn cute. Like, this is so pretty. Let me see. Look at that. Oh, yeah, I love this. I need to get this in silver because I don't wear gold. Okay. Good night, guys. I hope you enjoyed the haul. Peace out. I hope I didn't do any satanic signs just now. Peace out. Peace. Okay, just bye. Goodbye. Goodbye.